Um, Good evening, Prashant Singh. 1 minute before that, Rishabh is raised hand. Rishabh, tell me, what is it you wanted to ask? ऋषभ कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
यस सर।
या
सर सॉरी सर, आपने मुझे 5:30 में बोला था, पर सर मुझे उठने में थोड़ा 15-20 मिनट लेट हो गया सर।
15-20
मैं 6
मिनट
बजे ज्वाइन किया।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, यू प्लीज वेट। या
सर और एक और बात बोलनी थी सर, आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे, मैंने इसलिए इंटरप्ट नहीं किया आपको। सर
ठीक है,
आपसे
कोई
बोलने में शायद गलती हो गई, वो आप शायद फ्री लुक पीरियड बोलना चाह रहे थे, आपने लुक इन पीरियड बोला। सर लॉक इन पीरियड तो यूलिप प्लान में 5 इयर्स का होता है, और सर फ्री लुक पीरियड सर वो 15 या 30 डेज का दिया जाता है। अगर आप ऑफलाइन अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपके पास 15 डेज का टाइम होता है सोचने का, उस बीच और ऑनलाइन अप्लाई करते हैं तो ऑनलाइन में सर 30 डेज का टाइम होता है, ऑफलाइन में 15 डेज का टाइम होता है सर।
ओके, वेरी गुड, प्लीज वेट।
यस।
Prashant Singh, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Your interview is going to be on 13th in which place?
Meerut, sir.
Acha, good. Can you please tell me about yourself?
So as you know, my name is Prashant Singh. I belong to Mhow district, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my early education in my district only, and then I moved for my BTech in aerospace engineering with avionics from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. I completed my engineering over there, and then I placed in a company called High Tech Isolation LLP, where I worked as an aeronautical analyst for 2 years. Sir. I love meeting new peoples. I love motivating others. If I talk about my family members, then there are 5 members in my family. My father is a retired bank manager. My mother is a homemaker. My brother is working as a store manager in Reliance Trend. My sister is preparing for TST PhD examination, and my sister-in-law is also preparing for PhD examinations.
Good. Why did you resign from that company? When did you resign?
So I resigned in 2019 because I was 25.
So what, being 25, is that the reason for resigning?
No, sir. Actually, no. Actually, I was planning to prepare for the government examination because like very examination is there who is like hovering on 27 year of age. So I thought that it is a good time for me to prepare for the government examination. I just wanted to go for bank or SSC or insurance examination. So that's why, sir.
Good. How do you think this job will fit for you?
Sir, I already, as I told you that I already work in a private sector. I know how to achieve the targets, and I know how to motivate others. I'm quite punctual with my things, and like I think I can do this job in a quite better way. And so the last thing is like this is my the last option for me right now because I'm 28 now and I don't have any other option apart from this job, sir. So this job is quite important, yeah, and I think I will handle it anyway,
Yeah.
sir.
No, but you said I know how to motivate. How will you
Yes, sir.
motivate the agents whom you are going to recruit? And what factors you will take into while recruiting agents?
So first of all, I would see that what kind of motivation my agent is lacking in because he can lack in many areas. For example, if whether he is lacking in like knowing the knowledge of IC38 or something, then I'll just ask him to come to me and I will just give him some presentation of about the IC38. If he's lacking in communication skill, of course I will sit with him and I will tell him that they will not have to worry about the English or anything because Meerut is a Hindi dominated district. I will just motivate him that he can do, and he will just have to go to the customers, consumers, and talk freely. And if he still, if he will still think that he needs some English communication stiff like thing, then I will just go with him for some time, and I will give him some like advice to join some English speaking coaching and all for some time, sir.
You have not answered the second question. What are the things
Maybe
you will look into before selecting somebody as an agent of LIC?
so I would like to see how easily how good communication skill actually my agent is having. first thing. And second thing is like how easily they are meeting with the people and how easily they are attracting the consumers. And third thing is how excellent they are in achieving the targets, because there will be the target for my agents also.
Don't you
And how
don't you feel you should tell about minimum qualification, minimum age, maximum age, and all that?
Sir, actually, of course, there is some minimum age like 18 year, of course. But I think if I talk about the qualification, I can find many people who does not have any qualification. I have seen many agents who does not have any minimum qualification, but still they are doing quite good. But of course, there are some minimum requirement like they should 10th qualify.
Now
They should
12th,
have
12th.
12th.
Yeah, I think in the papers they have given, he must have passed 10+2 secondary level examination.
Okay.
Secondary level examination means is it 10th or 12th? I don't know.
Secondary is 10th, sir. 10th, sir. Higher
Achha.
secondary is 12th.
Oh,
Yes.
that boy must be able to tell. Rishabh, आपने क्या देखा?
यस सर। सर 10th है, रूरल एरिया में अगर हम एजेंट को रिक्रूट करते हैं वहाँ के लिए क्वालिफिकेशन 10th होना चाहिए मिनिमम, और अगर हम अर्बन एरिया में रिक्रूट करते हैं तो वहाँ के लिए मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन 12th होना चाहिए।
अच्छा, ये पॉइंट आप हमारा ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए ना।
हाँ सर, ओके सर,
Please
okay, sir.
put it in group,
Okay,
WhatsApp
sir.
group, because I have been telling people wrongly as 12. But now only after this boy Prashant talking only I could think secondary means only 10th or so, because I told Shruti also is 12. So
Yes, sir.
Shruti, please try to correct. He says if it is a rural area, it's secondary
It is
means 10th will do. 10th.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
sir.
12th is higher secondary.
12th is higher second is they have given senior secondary 10+2. They have mentioned 2 also.
Please,
Yeah.
actually, please check, sir, because I have seen a video on YouTube where an ADO was telling that the education qualification will be same for the rural as well as for urban agent. Only the difference will be about the maximum age. There will not be any maximum age for the urban agent, but there will be an age criteria for the rural candidates.
Acha?
That will be 35 year. Yeah. So this is what I know. I am still. I mean, if any kind of error is there, then I'll have to see again.
So
This is what I have seen on YouTube from via an ADO, sir.
very good, very good. Shruti, thoda clarify kar do. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
सर
No
मैंने जो
problem.
बोला वो सही है सर।
That is a 10. No, but
10th
why,
for rural
why,
area
no,
and
why
12th
not?
for
Why
urban.
not? Why not? Acha. Okay. If you are confident, that is right.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Good. Excellent. So
Thank you,
now, Mr. Prashant, one thing specifically I can see that is number one, you're really qualified. Number two, you're really of a particular age where you know your responsibilities. Number three, you're good in communication. Number four, confidence level is also good. All these things are going very well. Now only regarding insurance etc. थोड़ा पढ़ने से आपको ठीक हो जाना चाहिए. You must be able to clear it up very well. What is your father? Which bank was he working?
He has retired, so he's not working right now. He has retired from Central Bank of India.
Acha. Good. Can you tell me what is the difference between a bank and insurance company?
Sir, insurance provide a life coverage, while bank provide the saving accounts and all where person can go and put their money. But insurance does not provide this kind of facility. They provide only life coverage, sir, for some sort of premiums.
What is insurance not providing?
They are not providing any saving account kind of stuff, sir.
Yeah, savings account is not there, but then the question of earning interest is being taken care of by LIC nowadays. They are in fact competition with the banks for mobilizing the money. Banks go for fixed deposit, whereas these people go for some Jeevan, Anand, Jeevan, Azad, so many different schemes they are collecting. So they are also in the end giving interest only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's right. Good. Now, who is your role model, Prashant? And what quality would you like to learn from him?
So my role model is APJ Abdul Kalam, and the first thing is like he was also an aeronautical engineer, and from my same background, and I know like how punctual he was, how perseverance he was with their things, and how like what kind of problems he has faced in his life to achieve the targets. Like that's why, sir, he is my role
So,
model.
which quality you would like to learn from here?
He always used to tell that you don't have to fear about anything. If you have any kind of problem, just make a proper plan and just use that to achieve your goal.
Good. You told this okay, but normally I recommend people to suggest somebody with whom they are interacting frequently so that they can learn something from them and they can implement it. Possibly
Okay.
it can be your daddy or uncle or brother who is now working and who is doing good job, and what is it you are learning from him. It can be a retired person also, but of course what you said I will not dispute this one. Good.
Okay.
What are your hobbies? You are married?
No, sir, not till now.
Not yet. So please tell me, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is like first is gymming, second is like watching cricket, and third is meeting with the new peoples, and fourth is like motivating others, sir.
Meeting with the new couples.
People, sir,
People,
persons, not
people.
people.
People, meeting with the new people. That's right. Good. Very nice. Now, some odd questions for you. Name 5 union ministers and their ministries.
First is Amit Shah, is
Hmm.
Home Minister. Nirmala Sitharaman. Yeah, Mrs. Hello.
Tell me.
Okay, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. She is Finance Minister.
Hmm.
Piyush Goyal, who is Commerce Minister,
Hmm.
and again Giriraj Singh, who is urban uh, I'm sorry about Giriraj Singh. Nitin Gadkari, who is Highway Minister, and
I think you told me you have been preparing for bank exams also. Which bank
yes, sir.
exam you have appeared for interview?
So I could not appear for interview because I cleared the prelims, but I could not clear the mains, sir. I appeared for the last IBPS exam.
Have you heard of PM Suraksha Bima Yojana? What is it?
Yes, sir. So PM Suraksha Bima Yojana came in 2015, and it covered 2 lakh rupees for the death, for the demise, as well as for full disability, and 1 lakh rupees for partial disability, sir. And the premium will be around 20 rupees per year.
You have omitted one important point. Death on account of accident.
Yeah, accidental death. I'm sorry.
That alone is to be covered in this. Good, very good. Now, can you please tell me the expansion of PPF?
PPF,
Public Provident Fund.
Public Provident Fund. Okay.
Can you expand RBI?
Reserve Bank of India.
What is the repo rate?
6.5%, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. You be reading more till you go for interview. Banking, insurance, about your own aeronautical. I don't know what they will ask in aeronautical.
Okay.
हो सकता है aeronautical में what are the recent advancements that have happened in aeronautical? How is our Air Force improving now? Who is the chairman? Sorry, who is the in charge of Air Force now? And when was the Air Force last engaged with fighting the enemy? Some such vague questions they can ask you. Please prepare for that also.
So I would like to ask some question if you can allow, sir.
Yeah.
So can they ask the questions from banking awareness also?
Yes. Because banking and insurance are like a violin and tabela, whatever it is. Both have to go together, because the word bank assurance itself tells you bank is doing insurance business. So part and parcel of this. Many times they have asked. Many
So
times.
second,
But they may not ask, say, tell us about the loan procedures, this, that, and all. They may not ask.
Okay. So, like, I would like to ask the benefit of bank in bank as insurance. So, like, may you please tell me? I know some
Yeah.
sort of like,
See,
uh,
banks act as agents of the insurance companies. They collect the insurance policies from their own customers because they have a very good database with them. Using that, because they have SB account holders, current account holders, then they have fixed deposit holders, they have loan parties, and they have a database is very good. By sitting in their own place, they can canvas for the insurance policies, and for the policies canvassed by them, they will be getting commission. बैठ के commission बन जाते हैं. They
okay,
can make money by sitting in our place itself. So that is the advantage. This is known as non-fund based income.
okay. All right, sir. So the last question is, can they ask questions from the abbreviations of the LIC, sir? Can they ask the
Abbreviations.
abbreviations? Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
abbreviations. Yes, I have given you a material, IBPS guide material. You can go through
Okay,
that. Instead of that, you can always go through glossary. Glossary
okay,
say go through Karsing. You can go through the glossary of LIC, which covers
okay,
all the details. उससे पढ़ लीजिए.
okay, okay, sir. All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. You did well, fairly well, but depends about what questions you are getting. God bless you. Thank you.